Hi guys, how's it going? This is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is mini quiche. It is so simple to make. It's easy for afternoon snack or even to be packed for school lunch bag. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So for the filling, this is 3 eggs with 1 heaping teaspoon of mushroom granules, 1 heaping teaspoon of vegeta powder, 1 heaping teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 bunch of green onions that we just sliced, and also half cup of heavy whipping cream. I may have forgotten to mention freshly cracked black pepper as well over there, and we're just gonna use our either fork, spatula, or balloon whisk and mix this until completely combined. And for the skin, this is 2 cups of flour. Yes, Furball is home. Furball is our cat. Anyways, this is 2 cups of flour with 1 teaspoon of salt and 40 grams of unsalted butter. We're just gonna mix it with the help of about 1/4 cup of whipping cream. Less or more is when you feel it, when you mix it. This is the problem about making video log of cooking or having recipe website, because sometimes, most of the times, Indonesians or mothers, we don't really use a measurement, especially for cooking, and unlike baking most of the times we use exact measurement, but sometimes also by heart. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you in the end how many tablespoon or how many cups I use the whipping cream to help me to make the skin. We're just gonna mix that, knead that, and then press it onto our mini pan. Over here I have 10 grams of unsalted butter that I'm gonna melt, and I'm gonna mix it into our filling mixture. So just mix it until completely combined. I used to add like turkey slices or chicken slices. I know some people likes to add ham into their quiche, but this one is just regular quiche without really meat in it. That's the way my oldest likes it. Sometimes he just likes the filling without the skin. This is my melted butter, and just add it into the mixture and then whisk it again. So this is 1/4 cup. You can use spatula, fork, or your hands to mix this. It's up to you. So in total I use 3/4 cup of heavy milk, chilled heavy milk, heavy whipping cream. So we're gonna pinch a little, and then a little of dough. Then we're gonna press it onto our clean mini muffin and repeat this step until all dough used up. Once the skin is done, now we're just gonna spoon some of the filling onto the prepared skin. Then we're gonna sprinkle with cheese like so. They're ready to be baked. Now we're gonna bake on preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes depending on your oven.